What are you guys doing?
Coloring on myself.
What? Coloring on yourself?
Then on paper.
Only on paper. Max, let me see your papers. Oh my goodness. This is what happens when I try to take a nap for 1 minute? For maybe 5 minutes? Jeez. Well, let me see your paper, Aiden.
A lot.
Wow. That is very colorful. What happened here? Max, what happened here? On Brothers. What happened?
Me. On my eye.
On your eye? That hurts?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
My man is caught on his eye. And that's caught on my eye.
Yeah, well, you should hit color on the paper.
No, because with the laugh.
Well, it's kind of funny.
They laugh. Well, look at Max's pretty look.
Yeah, that's really pretty. I see he ran out of red because he's using it all over here on himself. Max, paper. Here's paper, very nice. You want new paper?
I'm all done.
You're all done?
I got a lot of paper. I got what goes on me.
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna clean myself.
Well, we can wash off in the bathtub, yes, but you have to wait till later.
No.
No?
I want
Max,
to.
on the paper.
I want
On the
to take
paper.
a bath.
Well, you have to wait till later tonight when it's bath time.
I want to be clear on myself.
Well, maybe you should have thought of that when you were coloring on yourself. You know that you color on paper.
Mommy,
There you go, Max. Very nice.
What do you mean?
Very nice. What are you drawing?
Put on my pen.
On your paper? What are you drawing on your paper? Around? You want tattoos. What did you get a tattoo of?
More colors, please.
More colors, yes, on the paper. Max, on the paper.
I'll color green. Also green on me, okay?
This is very colorful, very beautiful.
I'm into.